Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Introduce family. There are X member of my family. Family member example. My grandfather Meno. My grandmother Rusmini. My father Mahmudi. My mother Partini. My younger brother Ahmad. My cousin Friska and Sarli. Myself, Amalia Amanda Putri. Profession of family members. Example, my grandfather job is a farmer. My grandmother job is a trader. My father is Mahmudi. He is. My mother is Partini. She is a housewife. My younger brother, he is still at to grade junior high school. My cousin Friska, she is a housewife. My cousin Sally, she is still at to grade junior high school. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.